Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. So this is my breast cancer awareness month look slash nerdy look because it was nerd day at work. If you guys want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to do a collab with me, leave it in the comments or message me directly. I'm not going to have a whole voiceover in this video because I'm going to hold up all the products that I will be using and they will all be in the description box. And if you have any questions, leave it in the comments. Okay, here we go. Let's get started. I'm going to take that glitter shadow, that blue, and I'm going to pack that on top of my wing just for a little bit of added sparkle. Actually, I'm using that same pressed pink glitter that I put on my lid to put on my wings. It looked cute when it accidentally fell on there. My ribbon, I'm going to take my NYX pencil to map out the area. I forgot what shade this is, but it will be in my description box. This is what it looks like here. And then I'm going to take my Rimmel wonderswipe ombre eyeliner. It's a metallic liquid eyeliner, and I'm going to go over it to define it and make it more visible. I didn't want to try doing it with the liquid and it come out too thick. I'm going to take that same pressed pigment glitter that I put on my lid, and I'm going to pat that onto my lips. I don't even know what made me do this, but look at it. Don't that look so cute? Alright guys, there you have it. Here's my concluded look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you guys so much. I appreciate all the love and support. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Stay tuned for my next look, which will be my baddie look with bats. Love you guys. Bye. Thanks for watching. Do I look nerdy or not? I think I look cute.